The glass was just in the small pocket. I guess it's just gonna be the two of us. We seriously lucked out with good weather this weekend. Here, let me pack you a little Scooby snack. Damn, shit's purple. Super sticky. It's crazy to think that we're just a small speck. Oh. Holy shit. There was a meteor that just cut through Perseus straight into Draco's tail. I thought it was gonna hit Earth. Who are we listening to?
Delicate Steve.
Delicate Steve?
Yep.
I like it.
Sire? Guys, can someone say Scooby snacks?
We got a live one.